How to debug an Air Cannon Photobooth. This video mainly teaches us how to debug an Air Cannon Photobooth. Place the column on the ground. Secure both sides with screws. This is the fixed bracket for the tablet. Press the power button to turn on the tablet. This is the bottle where the smoking oil is stored. This smoke oil can produce smoke when sprayed. Secure it with zip ties. Below here is the power supply. This is the USB receiver. Driver installation is required. This is the USB dongle. After plugging it into the computer, find the S3 to driver. Click to install. After installation, go to Task Manager. Find the port corresponding to CH340, which is COM6. Then place the server side on the computer connected to the large screen. In There's folder, find the config file. Change the port ID to 6 and save. Next, connect the computer and iPad to the same local Wi-Fi network. The IP address of the computer connected to the large screen is 192.168.1.169. Then locate the iPad. Place the iPad into the client. Find Raise. Open Config. Enter the computer's IP and save. Once all settings are done, power on the device for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Allow the device to preheat. Once preheated, you can open all software. This is the background, where you can select frames. Then take photos. Click the Launch button. Smoke will be emitted from the front end. The photo will also appear on the wall. If connected to a printer, you can print. You can also go back. Some of the smoke emitted from the back is normal venting. In case the smoke oil is insufficient, unscrew the cap and pour in new smoke oil, ensuring it's tightly closed. Double-click twice on the top left corner to exit the software. If the activity time is long and the battery is insufficient, you can find the power adapter and plug it into the DC port for power supply. The device will then start charging. Finally, material replacement is done in There's folder. The background should be replaced with the same name, format, and resolution. This UI is for frames. Both the computer and the tablet must be modified at the same time to ensure uniform photo frames. Shut down the device. Click here to shut down normally.